Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Authenticator and Teams installed, and your organization account active. Now open Teams and enter your work or school email. You'll be prompted for additional verification. When the prompt appears, choose Use an app so Authenticator can register. Once done, open the Authenticator app and accept the sign-in request or copy the 6-digit code. This first exchange connects your account to the app and allows secure, password-backed multi-factor verification. Next, you'll register Teams in Authenticator. In the Teams browser prompt pick set up an Authenticator app and either scan the QR code or choose manual setup. Scanning is faster, but manual works offline. Make sure to give the entry a clear name so you can tell it apart if you have multiple accounts. Approve the push notification or type the 6-digit time-based code from Authenticator into the verification field. This step binds your device cryptographically and enables seamless sign-ins. To finish, return to Teams and approve the push or paste the 6-digit code. You should be signed in immediately. If sign-in fails, make sure your phone's time is set to automatic and try again, because time drift breaks codes. If you still cannot sign in, check network connectivity and any conditional access messages, then contact your IT admin to verify your account isn't blocked. That troubleshooting tip solves most issues quickly and gets you back into Teams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.